So algebraic expressions are basically an expression that we use letters from the alphabet to represent, okay? So something like 6x plus 3y minus 2z minus 8. So this is what we call an algebraic expressions. Right now, of course, in algebraic expressions, there are also terms that we need to get used to. For example, this x, y, z, they are representing another number, usually what we call unknowns. However, these numbers are what we call variables, okay? So variables, because they vary, they are not fixed at the moment, okay? Now, at the same time, this is a pretty long expression, right? Pretty long because there are like quite many components. These components, part by part, is what we call terms. Okay, so these are what we call terms in an algebraic expression. And of course, there's a particular term that's quite special, right? That doesn't come with any algebraic letters. So, for example, like the -8 is what we call a constant term. So, because it doesn't change, it's constant, it's fixed. Now, then of course, we do have numbers like 6 next to the x, +3 next to the y, and -2 next to the z. These are what we call the coefficients of x, y, z. Respectively. So first of all, we need to get in tune to all these terms that the teachers will be using to describe. So to some students, they may not fully understand what the teacher is talking about when they say, hey, write down the coefficient of x, for example, and they go like, what is a coefficient? Okay, so that is what the so-called labeling of algebraic expression is like.